Starting with a breakthrough on the long-pending Ram Janmabhoomi case in India, representatives of the Nirmohi, Akhara and the All India Muslim Personal Board of Law met earlier this month. The meeting was headed by spiritual guru Sri Ravi Shankar. Sources tell WION that both parties were open to arriving at a consensus, but no further details could be accessed at this point. Earlier this year, remember, WION had spoken to Sri Ravi Shankar, who had said that the Ram temple issue should be resolved through consensus. In 2010, the Allahabad High Court had ruled that the disputed Ayodhya land should be divided into 3 parts. This order was challenged in India's top court. The Supreme Court said that fresh attempts must be made by all parties to end the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid dispute. Joining us this evening from the newsroom is our political editor, Karthikeya Sharma. Karthikeya, the timing is very, very interesting. Before crucial elections, this out-of-court settlement is being talked about.
Oh yes, and this is not the first time. In 2003, when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister, Sri Ravi Shankar, even at that point of time, attempted to mediate this issue. But at that point of time, Palki, the Nirmohi Akhara and All India Muslim Personal Law Board, because they are the principles in the larger rubric of the, I would say, the trusts which are involved in litigation. It is the main case is called Ram Lala Virajman, which is being fought by these two parties. Now, if these two parties resolve their differences through negotiation, then out of consensus, you can have some sort of a settlement. The court has even mentioned that in one of its obiter dictas. Now, what has happened is that in the latest development, Palki, on 6th of October in Bengaluru, the representatives of Nirmohi Akhara and All India Muslim Personal Law Board met. The discussion took place. Now, some sources are saying that they had decided that at least the talk should go on. Some sources are saying that there can be a way out. But the only issue is that all the parties will have to withdraw their cases from the court. All the representatives of Nirmohi Akhara and All India Muslim Personal Law Board, and they will have to somehow go by the directions and the order of the Allahabad High Court. Allahabad High Court in 2010 had divided the land into 3 parts which got contested. So in a way, before 2019, an attempt for another consensus, the jury is out on that. Whether it will happen or not is a different story. But the fact that it is being again attempted when 2019 is round the corner makes it interesting, because when in 2003 the attempt was made, in 2004 at that point in time elections were supposed to be held in October, which Mr. Vajpayee somehow changed his mind because of Pramod Mahajan and Lal Krishna Advani, and they got preponed and elections took place in May. Palki.